Welcome to week 3, and this week we're going to be talking about scale and energy. And I have a few points I just want to emphasize when we talk about that when we talk about scale, we're going to be talking about the extent and the size of processes and objects, but also the texture. And this can come in to be very useful when we're trying to address certain types of decisions. If the scale of the issue is so large that it's essentially irreversible, then we're going to use a decision principle called precautionary principle. And this means when you have uncertainty or it's irreversible, you really take the safe road. But when it's a smaller scale and reversible, we're going to use a decision principle called cost-benefit analysis, where you just try to get the most benefit for whatever expenditures you're making. The other thing I wanted to highlight was that we're going to be looking at energy processes, energy sources and use. And one of the things that we're going to look at this week is how do you compare these? And it really makes a difference whether you compare to the overall population or to the size of the economy. So when you compare different countries that have different population sizes and different economics, it's very interesting to try to understand how normalization of their energy needs to those different normalizations makes a difference. And the final thing that comes up now, and it's going to come through the rest of the term, is this idea of scale-effective technologies. And those aren't necessarily just equipment, like some little piece of machinery, but more a technique or a mechanism, along with the knowledge of where and when to use it, and the tacit knowledge of how to apply it. So those are a couple things to keep an eye out this week. Thank you.